than a spectacular aircraft. By embracing existing aircraft technology and applying it to a vision of our lives in the 21st century, XTI Aircraft Company is taking a transformational step and creating a new concept for personal air transportation for all of us. In just 2.5 years, the company plans to fabricate, test, and fly its first prototype. And once we achieve that important milestone, everyone with a stake in XTI Aircraft Company will benefit. Hi, I'm Jeff Pino, and for over 30 years, I've had the privilege in a leadership role to design, develop, test, and bring to market many new and innovative aircraft. I know what it takes to bring an aircraft to market successfully. I'm convinced that the technology application of the XTI TriFan 600 has the potential to change aviation in the US and in fact the world. All of us at XTI are 100% focused on finishing the detailed design and moving this aircraft to fabrication. The first flight of our proof of concept aircraft, the world's first commercial vertical takeoff airplane, will be heralded as a major milestone in aviation history. And you'll own a part of that company and be a part of bringing this magnificent technology to market. I've been dreaming about an airplane like this for over 100 years. And once this powerful technology is introduced to the world, it will be used in ways XTI cannot even predict. XTI is about to place all of us on the doorstep of a new era of flight. And we would like to invite all of you to join us on that journey.
An inflatable craft could one day propel itself around the atmosphere of Venus. Aerospace and defense giant Northrop Grumman is gearing up to enter NASA's forthcoming New Frontiers competition with its Venus Atmospheric Maneuverable Platform, or VAMP, for a possible $1 billion prize in funding. The company, in collaboration with space technology firm Lagarde, has been working on the concept after a 2012 feasibility study indicated its possibilities. With the inspirations of a blimp-like vehicle, an unmanned aircraft, and Venus-specific capabilities all contributing to its design, VAMP features propellers to power its flight and buoyant capabilities to allow for passive flotation. It also comes equipped with systems that can record data about the planet and transmit it to Earth through its carrier spacecraft companion. To enter NASA's prestigious New Frontiers program, concepts are, for the most part, expected to be far enough along to have a working prototype by the time a preliminary design review is conducted. Rules and timelines for the 2016 competition, the fourth of its kind, are expected to be announced after the federal government's next fiscal year begins on October 1st.